Um, I want to build a DJ controller, but I don't have any technical experience. Some are going to wonder what's the point of this video, and to be honest, I don't have a strong answer. I do want to see if the internet will come through and help. That would be awesome. But there's also a timeline where this video goes out into the ether and doesn't go anywhere. People don't care. That's fine. I chose to upload though because at some point I need to get this out of my system. This video was 3 years in the making, and it was only made possible because I kind of breached the surface of this mental funk holding me back. So I read about electrical engineering through this book. Some of it stuck, but I think in order to make it stick, I needed to practice with a project. I was thinking about the lights that respond to audio on a DJ controller. It looks easy, but as it turns out, it's not. At least for me. There were a lot of guides online for this kind of thing, but the one that really helped me was from SparkFun, specifically this one. They're based off of volume units, volume unit meters, like an old school piece of tech that used to represent volume for audio equipment. But now most of the time it's handled by something extremely powerful called an IC. Specifically, the one I'd be using would be the LM3914. I tried a breadboard. I had to solder resistors in series because I didn't have the specific ones, and it did not turn on. My guess was that the resistor leads did not make reliable contact, and I'm not sure how to check for continuity on a breadboard with this thing, a multimeter with leads that are super thick and don't fit in the holes. Either way, I moved on to solder on a perforated board to make sure that the connections were secure. I learned really quickly why people use sockets for IC chips because I just kind of slapped things on there without proper spacing. It was a similar story on my next attempt, but this time I cut off the LED leads when I should have used them to connect to other components. Third attempt, I used a bigger board. I connected all the components with metal wires and plugged into power, but still no dice. That thing did not turn on. Now I don't know what to do. But fear not. Here's what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna test for continuity. I'm gonna double check the guide. I'm gonna look at forums or look into other solutions for a VU meter, and I'll see what happens from there. This was the 24th of March, and I'm signing off.